Hi students, welcome to Unit 7, Typography and Layout. This week we're focusing on grids, breaking up the space, learning about regular column grids, the history of grids, dividing up the space as two-column, multi-column, and modular grids. Take a look at your text. Make sure you start with your instructions, obviously. Read and review pages 151 through 207. That covers most of what you're going to be focused on. Be sure to check out the resources I give you. Of course, they're always valuable. Have some really good overarching overviews of what grid and grid theory is, how it might help you organize your content and position your elements well on the page for more engaging designs. And then continue on with your book cover redesign. That's something that's really excellent, and I want to make sure that you're wrapping it up well. You will submit it here. It's due by Sunday midnight. You do not have to submit your original design since you've already done that in previous course sections. Also, there's a little quiz on the grid systems from your text, those pages in particular. And then I have a forum assignment for you this week that asks you to find 2 examples of good grid design in your environment. It could be from signage, a website, a menu, a journal, or resource such as a booklet or periodical. Post the example as a screen capture or a photograph, however you're able to share these examples, and then talk about what type of grid design it is based on what you've learned from your reading. Is it single column, is it multi-column, or modular? And then respond to any classmate with your observations and thoughts. It's not like a minimum of 2 classmates this week or this unit. It's just post and respond as needed. Let me know if you have any questions on that. I believe that is all the requirements for Unit 7. Feel free to ask questions as needed, and have a great week.